Welcome, everyone, to your very first C++ tutorial. And before all of you guys start flipping out saying, Bucky, you are awesome, I'm a longtime subscriber. However, I've been watching your videos for a while and you have already made C++ tutorials. I will say this, I know I have made a little series a couple years ago probably in C++, but I actually went back and rewatched all my videos and I noticed that they're kind of old, outdated. The quality wasn't really that great and I really wasn't going over everything I needed to be going over. And in addition to all that, whenever I made a tutorial, I pretty much just made it and uploaded it to YouTube. And with this series, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saving all the code for you guys, and I'm going to be posting it on my forum. So if you guys want to follow along with me and just go ahead and copy the code, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. So again, if you guys want any of the code for any of my tutorials, just hop over to my forum and I'll have it. You can just copy and paste it in your program, and yeah, like I said, make your life a whole lot easier. So that was my message to my old subscribers, but to you guys who are viewing this video for the first time, welcome to your very first C++ tutorial. So what C++ is, it's pretty much a way that we can program computers, make cool computer programs. It's pretty much a computer programming language. Alright, so you guys might be wondering, why the heck do I have Google open then? What are we doing? Gonna, get on Facebook and meet some chicks? No. I mean, we will, but we'll do that later. What we're gonna be doing now is, in order to write C++ code, we need a special program. And what this program does is it takes code that we can understand and changes it into code the computer can understand. Simple enough. And this is actually called a compiler. There we go. Now, there are a bunch of different C++ compilers you can get. My favorite is called dev-c. Why is this not typing? That's embarrassing. dev-c++. Go ahead and hit enter, and probably the first thing that's going to pop up is this Bloodshed Software dev-c++. So go ahead and click that, and by the way, this is a free compiler. You don't have to pay for it or anything. Let's just go ahead and go to downloads page, and let's just go ahead and pick one we want. It's probably going to be the top one. It says dev-c++. Your version might be a little different depending on when you're watching this tutorial, but anyways, it's most likely going to be the very top one. And all you have to do to download it is go ahead and click this, and I'm not going to click it because I already have this program downloaded and I don't want two of them on my computer because, why would I? But go ahead, click that, download it. I don't think I have to teach you guys how to download a program. It's just like any other program. Click it and then hit next about 800 times, and then, once you're done, you have your program downloaded. So now that you have it downloaded, and again, like I said, I use dev-c++, but you guys can use any compiler you want as long as it's for C++. So go ahead and open it, and if you have dev-c++ and you're following along with me, then you get this nice tip of the day. Let's go ahead and X out of that. But the very first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up a blank file that we can work with. So go ahead and go to File, New, Source File, or if you're really lazy, you can hit Control and N. I'm going to have to remember that because I, myself, am very lazy. So now you have this blank source file, and this is the file where we can write all the C++ code we can ever dream of. However, before we do that, you should always do this. File, Save As, and save your source file something. I'm just going to name mine YouTube, and you can either push .cpp or just go ahead and save it as type C++ source file. And this is a special type of file that your computer understands is a C++ file. That's all. So go ahead and save it, and now we have a blank C++ file. Now we can go ahead and start writing some code. However, I'm going to be saving that for the next tutorial. So now that you have everything set up and good to go, you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. If you watch this video and you weren't following along, then go ahead to Google and find whatever C++ compiler you want to work with. Go ahead and get it downloaded, and once it downloads and you got it all loaded up, then you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. So yeah, that's really all I gotta say, and yeah, that's it. Why are you guys still watching this tutorial? Leave. Stop. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my next tutorial, and also if you have some spare time, don't forget to check out my forum, and it's a pretty awesome forum. That's all I'm gonna say. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.